Service has issued a hurricane warning for all of Florida until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a Category 6 hurricane named Hurricane Eas has formed in the Gulf of America and is heading towards Florida. All residents of Florida seek shelter immediately. Flying debris and storm surge may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Seek shelter now. I repeat, seek shelter now. Immediate evacuation for the city of Los Angeles. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Black holes are beginning to form in the city of Los Angeles. All residents of Los Angeles, evacuate immediately. Bring necessary supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. All speed limits are increased to 120 miles per hour to ensure everyone evacuates quickly. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. The United States Geological Survey has issued a volcano warning for all of Wyoming, all of Idaho, all of Montana, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Yellowstone supervolcano has erupted. All citizens of Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana seek shelter immediately. Lava and volcanic ash may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.